Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The scenery here is amazing. Looking out on the mountains of Santa Cruz and its surroundings, imagine sitting on the balcony during the nighttime with friends and enjoying the coolness of the atmosphere. Wow! Unfinished 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom house, ready for you to make it your home sweet home. The property is in close proximity to schools, health facilities, banks, supermarkets, etc. Halan Bamboo is about 4 minutes away. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own your piece of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.